Okay, now let me know what is user and add user command, or is it same or different from others?
No, the user rate and add user not same. Where the user is something like the basic command that actually create a user quickly with a minimal setup, and it doesn't ask any kind of question or any kind of information
Mhm.
and information. So that's why user is a basic command, where the add user is a, like suppose a friendlier and more advanced command that actually walk you through a lot of places, like step by step, like you can add information like which user it is and which group is going to accept, like lot of information. So for that the add user is more advanced and more easy to use.
Okay, thank you.